Hi guys, welcome back to Bougie Doll Life. My name is Katrina and today we're going to be doing some miniature shopping. So first I stopped at Hobby Lobby. I saw this Susie Carmichael Funko Pop. They have some really cool Funko Pops in the Funko section. I absolutely love Funko, especially music ones. And now I'm looking at some charms because I am building a new dollhouse. This is some popsicles that I found. You can find some really cool things in the charm section, so don't miss out if you have a Hobby Lobby in your area. And I was just looking at the cute little thing that's a little elephant, fruit, if you guys want to make it like charcuterie boards, and this cute plant. I thought it was so pretty and absolutely loved it. And these donuts were really cute, and they were all half off. I think it was like 50% off. So now I'm picking out the flooring for my new dollhouse. So these are like really good for like wallpaper, but I love getting it for flooring because in dollhouses I like to paint it. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I suggest you guys check it out, where I redid a dollhouse for Kids Craft. And yeah, so I ended up picking this wood grain that looked really good to me, and yeah, it was really fun. And the paper was also 40% off, so that was a great deal. And so I ended up picking this one. So next I went to Toys R Us and Macy's, which was so much fun. I got to see these new toys that I saw in other people's vlogs. I think it's so cute. Like, it looks like Roblox to me, and I love it a lot. I thought it was really cute. Then they had Bratz. I'm so excited that Bratz are back. I didn't get a Bratz that day, but I do plan on going back and getting one because they did have a lot. So I was like, I'll come back and get the one I want. I really loved this one. She was so pretty, and I loved her top. It was so freaking cute. Like, I loved it. I was obsessed. And then I was just looking through them because I thought about buying it that day, but then I ended up not buying them. And also I love this one too. She's so pretty, and I love her outfit and her style, and the bucket hat is one of my faves, so I really loved how she looked. Then I ended up picking up this Dream Ella doll for her scrubs for my dog, because I love dressing her up in scrubs because I work in the medical field, so I love dressing her up in scrubs. So I got her too.
Alright guys, so I'm back home. I want to show you guys a haul of everything I bought. So the first thing that I bought, I'm going to show you from Toys R Us. I bought this Dream Ella doll. Pretty much I bought her for her scrubs because I work in a medical field and I like to take pictures of my mini-me in scrubs. And it's really cute. It comes with like a satin scrub top with some white scrub pants, and she has a stethoscope, which is really cute. And if you do want to see how I dress my doll up with these scrubs, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I do reels over there, and sometimes the reels I do post them here, so you'll see them here as well. So that's the first thing I got from Toys R Us. And then this is the other thing I got from Toys R Us, is this fashion pack. I saw this fashion pack on my Froggy stuff, and it was an old video, and I was glad to see it because I thought I would never run into it because it was such an old fashion pack. So I was glad to see it in Toys R Us because they had like a little row of fashion packs, and it made me very happy to see it. And it's cute. It has a little mask there. I still wear masks when I go to work, so I'm used to wearing masks all the time, so that's something that I like as an accessory for my scrub pack that I got for the Dream Ella doll. And next is what I got at Hobby Lobby. So at Hobby Lobby, I got these to decorate my new dollhouse that I have, and I got this as well. They're like pretty much stickers. Like, you know how Barbie houses come with like sticker decorations on the wall? I'm going to paint the dollhouse, but I want to do sticker decor on the wall, but I didn't want it to be real, like actual stuff in the house, because it moves around, it falls on the floor, and some stuff I don't ever move once I put it there. So I was like, why don't you just buy a sticker and put it on the wall, and it'll look like it's on the furniture, because these are 3D stickers. So I got these, and then I also got these to have bigger stickers to have bigger decor inside the new dollhouse, and both of these were half off, so they were $2.50 and they're priced at $5. So the next thing that I got from Hobby Lobby was these quarter of fabric. I'm going to use this to make curtains, and the black I'm going to use to make an outfit for my dolls using that Barbie cloth that I bought that I showed in my Barbie video. If you haven't watched it, I'll put it in the corner screen, and I'll put it in the description box down below so you guys can watch it. It's actually really good. So I got these because in the new dollhouse, I want to have like neutral tones. I want to give it a whole different vibe. So the next thing that I got from Hobby Lobby is this wreath. I got this for Christmas because, well, this is actually for, I don't know which dollhouse I'll put it in. Maybe this one, maybe the other one, the new one. Not too sure yet. Fell in love with it the first time I saw this one. So I'm going to go ahead and put it up once Christmas time gets near, which probably will be mid-November, that I'll switch out my fall decor for Christmas decor, because I'm loving my fall decor right now. So yeah, so this will be a really cute addition to have for the holidays. Next, I got this vase that has these flowers in it, these roses. They're so pretty, and it comes with like a clay vase, and it's super cute, and I really love it. I saw it before. Usually when I buy things, I've seen it before, and I wait to see if I still want it, and then I buy it. I always do it. I don't know why, but I always do. So that's why I ended up buying this, because I was still thinking about it, and when I went to the miniature section, I was looking for it, and I'm glad I got it. So this will go very good in a new dollhouse. Then also I got this right here, which I'm going to make into a coffee table. I'm going to go ahead and put like foam board here and cover with like a contact paper I have, and just have it as a coffee table for the new dollhouse that I have. Well, if you guys haven't noticed, there's going to be a new dollhouse, which means there's going to be a new video for dollhouse like renovation. And if you guys haven't seen the renovation for this dollhouse, it's in my videos. The next thing I have is this right here. It's like a little woven basket that will look cute in the kitchen. I just think it will look cute in the kitchen. It's the tier fruit basket, so I guess you can put fruit and stuff like that. I do make fruit with Palmer clay, and I think this will be really cute to store in the kitchen, in the new kitchen that I plan to make for the new dollhouse, which I'm actually going to do a functioning kitchen from foam board. So definitely wait for that video, and I can't wait for you guys to see what I have in store for you guys.
Also, I got this Susie Carmichael Funko Pop. I think this is so cool. I was so in love with Rugrats when I was younger, and I absolutely love it. And it's so cute. And I knew I wasn't going to find it nowhere else, so I had to snatch her up. And this is the collection in the back if you collect Funko Pops. I do collect music Funko Pops, but every time when I see like nostalgia stuff like this, like stuff I grew up on, I will also collect that as well. So yeah, so that's another fun find I found at Hobby Lobby.
I got this right here, and it is the glass jelly bottles on a shelf. It's really cute, and it has different flavors of jelly, and I thought it'd be really cute to add to the kitchen that I'm going to be making. So I purchased it. It was super cute. It was only $2.99, and I absolutely love it. And this is it up close. And I love how it has like the fabric that gives it a very vintage look, and it's on a wooden shelf, and it's really, really cute. So the next thing that I got from Hobby Lobby is this sewing machine. This has nothing to do with doll stuff, but it's really cute, and I got into sewing, so I got this ornament to add to my Christmas tree this year, because I'm really excited that now I make doll clothes. So I wanted a sewing machine. And you know what's funny? I always end up buying ornaments with things I like to do, because I have a mixer, because I like to bake and cook. And so now I love sewing, so now I have a sewing machine ornament. So that was one of the other finds I had in Hobby Lobby. And then next thing, I found this bandana that I'm going to use to make a doll outfit, which is going to be super cute. And I cannot wait for you guys to see the tutorial. I already have the vision in my mind, and it's going to be so beautiful, and I cannot wait. So next, I read up on my hot glue. Always have to have hot glue on deck, because I run through this like crazy. This was $5 and it has 20. I get the thick sticks because I use the big white glue gun. So yeah, I had to have these. And then I got some tacky glue, because if you guys watch my other dollhouse renovation for this one right here, for the floors, I use tacky glue to glue my floors down. It's good, it stays. I haven't had any problems with lifting. I love this stuff. This is what I use for my doll floors. This and the one that's clear. So yeah. And the last thing I want to show you guys that I got from Hobby Lobby is this guitar. So this is so cute, and I've been looking for this guitar for a minute because I saw it on Instagram, and it's so detailed, and I absolutely love it. And look at this, just look at the details of this guitar. so in love. And then the back is painted as well. It's an ornament, but I'm going to use it as a guitar in the dollhouse, and I absolutely love it. Alright guys, so that's everything for my haul of what I found on my miniature doll hunt. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!